Hello my beautiful people, welcome to MercyBeauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. I hope you guys have an happy new year. Today's video I'm going to do a bedroom makeover in this little awkward shaped bedroom, as you can see. So excited because today is my first video of the year 2023. Guys, I'm truly grateful because 2022 was a good year and I know God gonna make this one the best one ever. Okay guys, this is a video collab with Yitahome that sent me this bed, and guys, I'm going to transform this bedroom very beautiful for my son. And this is the process how he's putting the bed together. I didn't put it together, but my son did, and he told me it was very easy. As you can see the process. Now the bed is finished, and it's pretty decent for the price. I always say that, pretty decent, because other bedrooms they are thousands of dollars, but this one is pretty convenient for you. If you're on budget, you can buy this one, and the quality is okay too. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box down below. If you want to buy one like that, feel free to check it out. Okay guys, let's start decorating the bedroom and keep on watching. My son loves those kind of wall art that has meaning, so that's why I just chose this one since I already have it home, so it's perfect for his bedroom. And guys, as you can see, I'm 190 pounds and I stand on the bed pretty good without no problem, no cracking, as you can see. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please, before you go, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my current subscribers, to all of you guys, thank you so much. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all guys, and keep on watching. And guys, I like to use a duvet cover, and I just buy one insert for each person because I have, for each my kid and myself, I buy one insert, and I use duvet cover all the time because I'm living in a smaller space, so I need I don't want too many things that I can minimize, so that's why I always use my duvet cover and use the insert. For some people it might seems to be a lot of work, but me, I just fix it the same way I do my pillow covers, and that's exactly the same way I just do it. And to me, it's pretty convenient and easy, and help me a lot with storage. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. M'a profité souhaiter nous bonne année 2023, bonne santé, longue vie et prospérité. S'il vous plaît, si nous pouvons faire ça, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous qui Jean moi a décoré chambre pour un petit garçon. Et si vous pas la première fois tout, moi tout merci en pile pour support. Sans nous même, moi pas ta privé côté mieux. Moi remets nous en pile. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. As you can see guys, how the bed sheet has a lot of wrinkles, so I'm going to fix that problem with my aspirin steamer. So as you can see guys, it's not pretty, and my steamer going to help me make the bed look like hotel luxe. And this is my second collab. They sent over to me this steamer. Guys, you don't need nothing else, just add water and then you're good to go. It's super easy. You just add water and then super easy to use. And guys, if you have your bed sheet, you cannot have your bed well made and full of wrinkles. So this one can help you without you have to iron, folding, and do all those other stuff. This one is the best thing to have. It's super handy. I use it to clean, to remove wrinkle in my curtains. I use them for my tablecloth. I use it for everything. I'm going to leave the link of everything that I use in this video in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out. Guys, I really love to do my DIY. It saved me tons of money. I got this Velcro tape on Amazon and the 3 mirrors from Walmart, and I'm going to do a DIY mirror for my baby. This is super winter friendly and it's not expensive. It looks very modern. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what do you think. And share the love with your friend and family. This is my baby gaming system. He made his own computer. I'm the proudest mommy ever, guys. Okay guys, this is the bed. As you can see, very nice. And guys, I really love the mattress from the room. What do you think? He loves light just the way I do. As you can see, most of the time the bed stay with the light turned off, and that's the room with the light turned on. Everything is very nice, and I really love the way I transform it. That's my DIY mirror. So guys, it's very nice. Everything is on budget without breaking any bank. Everything is super nice. So you can turn your awkward space very nice. As you can see, you know, the shape of this room is very, very awkward. And that's the bottom part of the room when you go into the door.
Even if it takes 100,000 years to finally shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Bonne année, bonne santé, longue vie et prospérité. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support, guys. Je vous aime. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!